Okay, because we all know the ABCs are so awesome, so I'm gonna sing the ABCs. And I'm sick. So how much better is that? Well, it's pretty much all I can sing when I'm sick. But, also, like, this is also so you can get, like, a hint of what my voice sounds like. So you can, like, tell me what kind of songs that you would like me to make a video on. Well, anyway, okay, I'm gonna get started. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Um, A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now you know your ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yeah, that was the ABCs, and then I think I'll just sing a little part of Payphone because I love that song. I'm at a payphone trying to go home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Well, the plans we made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Yeah, I just sung that really low octave, but whatever.